More than 11 million children join summer programs every year to connect with others, to explore, to learn new skills, and to make memories. But this summer looks a little different. Many kids' programs are canceled due to COVID-19. Connect with children from all over the world by enrolling in fun summer programs online. Introducing Nature Studies for Kids by Habitat Schoolhouse. Explore the seashore. Learn about volcanoes. Dive in with sharks. Dig up fossils. And much, much more. Learn more at habitatschoolhouse.com.